So I'm here at the Burger King parking lot waiting for my brother from another mother, Angel Velez, to show up in his Nova. As you can see, my brother from another mother is here. Let's go. Yes. We're gonna go to this car show and see what's happening. I'm still driving. Got a couple cameras going on in the car. You're watching 215 Muscle Cars. That's right. Any car can be a muscle car as long as it go fast. I don't got my seatbelt on. Hang tight, I gotta drop the camera. There we go. He's inconsiderate. He wasn't waiting for me. Little punk ass. There you go. Smell the fumes, baby. I'm gonna smell like a gasoline station. I keep riding behind him. So we're going to one of my other brothers from another mother's spot. Where we're gonna meet up. I don't know how many more cars gonna be there, but we will meet up. Got a bunch of toys. Hey, punk, you dirtied up my damn car.
Alright, ready to go out.
Alright. muscle cars. This is how we do it, baby. Lost one of our boys. I think he's coming still. Tell you, you gotta wait to see what's coming up behind me. It's incredible. here. 215 Muscle Cars. As we get a crowd around the car to see this here.
Yeah, right. Still counts. They got a better head anyway.
Yeah. What is it? It's a 2J. Yeah. 2JZ. That thing is nice.
No shit.
This is how we do it at 215 Muscle Car. That's right. Here in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, we got rides. Look at this monster right here. One of the beasts of the East.
That thing is still nice.
Right now it's only like 8 pounds. With my granddaughter.
Right, there you go. The 8-pound wastegate?
Actually, I can do whatever I want.
Oh, no shit.
I saw it on the internet. I invited all them. You guys want to come out? Yeah, I invited all them. I was like, come out. Come on, CJ. I even text everybody. I'm like, is it all imports or German cores? That's what you see on the.
You like the ride now? You're addicted? Yeah.
It's a bunch of cars, bunch of people, car people. That's what we do.
He made that. That's all. The only thing on there is
Like your shirt.
What do you think? Easy to do that?
Absolutely not.
A lot of people tell me to leave it on there. I'm thinking about taking it off. I'm going to try it.
I think this is the closest Mazda thing to a 2J.
Did you see the mob?
This is the crew that I roll with. 215 Muscle Car, baby. That's how we do. Yo. How I'm gonna film and give you a hand, man? What that? All these guys around here? Yeah, there you go. How you expect me to make you look good? I mean, it's pretty hard to make you look good. You're an ugly mother. Yeah.
Just don't get my
Little dusty.
Hey, man, you want to help me with my hood?
Yeah, you need a hand with
Yeah, I need a hand with that. Go look that up, man.
All right,
Show everybody what I'm working with, man. Come on. You gonna stop joking my car, man? We gonna get it on today, man.
Yeah. You better have some money in your pocket.
Hey, man, look, you can't even pop the hood on it, man.
Some money in your pocket.
Oh, man, let me see what I'm working with. Look, it's over here, man. You're a mechanic. Come on, what the hell? Oh, man, look at that there. Woo! That motherfucker ready to go to the moon.
Yeah. Who knows? Maybe I can go back over here.
So let's get this right. This is the owners of these two cars here. You on a 215 Muscle Car,
Right.
Dave and Angel. So you want to tell me a bit about your car, Dave? For
Yeah,
one. Well, I already know about your car,
It's
but
a
we
ni-
don't talk about your car.
It's a 1965 wagon. I kind of converted it into like a 63 wagon. Tail end is done 63, front end's done 63. And I went through the little import scene. I put a 2JZ motor in it. It's a 6-cylinder. Actually, what the car brought, they kind of sound the same. It's got a C4 Ford transmission, 4,000 stall. I just put an 8-inch, 350 gears in it. 9-inch forward rear. It's all tubbed out. It's just a little cruiser. That's all.
So let me get this right. You said it took you about a year to do this?
About a year and a half. About a year and a half.
Just look at that thing.
From start to finish.
That's unbelievable right there.
Painted it myself in the garage.
Completely tubbed out.
You know, did all the body work myself. I put quarter panels are from a car. They don't sell quarter panels for a station wagon, and we converted them.
Yeah, he cut them off. He bought them for that kind of car.
The rear stretched out 9 inches to the back, so the wheel well stretched out 9 inches. So it is what it is, you know.
Yeah, how fast do you think that?
We don't know yet. Definitely, I'm going to test it out. You know, we're all in quarantine right now, and so hopefully I take it to the dyno. I'm going to run some E85 and see if I can wake it up a little bit and take it to the local track, see what it does.
All right. How's the Conquest coming along, though?
Conquest is sleeping.
Hibernation?
You know, it's the same thing. It's a 2JZ super motor. It's about close to 900 horsepower motor in it. It's got the Power Glide, forward rear. We're just waiting. We came in second last year for the Pan Ams. We want to redeem ourselves, see if we can get that first place.
All right. That's what it is.
We're getting it ready.
215 Muscle Car. Now I'll go ahead to my brother from the other mother, Angel. You want to tell me about this SS of yours?
Just a simple 70 SS Nova, 383 stroker. That's it.
That's it?
That's it.
Yeah. How fast is it?
We don't know yet. We haven't tested it out.
All right, so let me tell you about my Mustang over there. You know,
We haven't tested it out.
my Mustang is the fastest fucking car in the
Fastest
world.
I did on it was 96 mile an hour. That's
96,
it.
96, that's
And
it?
I can't control on the road.
Well, I tell you what's going to happen. We're going to see how fast it is later.
Don't worry. I got some loot in my pocket. Bring it out.
I got money too. I got monies in the bank.
I got hundreds in my pocket. We can
Well, I
test it
mean,
out.
all right, money bank. I got credit cards. So I don't give a
We
damn.
can test it out.
I got credit cards.
Don't worry about it.
You know,
I ain't
you
scared.
don't got no money on it, but I got credit cards, bitch. What the fuck's the difference?
You can bring it out. Bring it out, buddy.
All
You're
right.
gonna need 2 cool air intakes on that thing.
Nah, you don't want to mess with that beast over there. That thing running 100 miles per hour as soon as I turn the key. You don't want none of that. Hey, Tony, how's everything going? Beautiful Nova, yours, 215 Muscle Car. Tell me a bit about it.
That's a 1963 Chevy 2 Nova Super Sport. It's got a 671 on top of a 355 small block forged bottom end. It's got a 350 with a, I think it's a 2800 stall converter, Ford 9-inch rear, 370 gears, 370 posi. I've had the car for 15 years, and it's been pretty good to me. The interior is mostly stock, well, all stock. It had a roll cage in it at one point. I took it out. I went from a fiberglass hood to the steel hood, and 15 years later, that's what I got.
So I call this the Beast of These. So, I mean, does the name fit the car?
The car is Rosalita.
Oh, Rosalita. Okay.
Yeah, it's got it.
So it's like, is it like a Christine thing?